in the Star Live trading. We're currently over 4% for the month, so let's keep that up. Let's keep the momentum happening. And lastly, the reason why I've had an absence for the past couple of days is I've been working on something very special, which I think you'll absolutely enjoy, and it's called Star Classroom, right? Doesn't cost anything, don't have to invest anything, right? What you do need to invest in is your time. And I would imagine if you're watching this video and you want to make Forex a successful career for you, trading that is, that would be highly beneficial and valuable to you. So very excited to launch this. It is almost ready, just a few things that need fine-tuning and some adjustments. And in the next video, I will share with you what it's about in a little bit more detail, and how you can get access to that as well. And basically what you will be learning is the reality of trading, okay, which is called the Foundation series, and you'll also have access to the education videos as well, which I'm looking forward to bringing to you. Not only that, you will have direct access to me, one-on-one chat with me, so that way I can help you through the education material and help you in your journey to identifying price action and reading the language of the market. So more on that tomorrow. Very excited to bring that to you. Been working hard day and night putting that together because I believe that will be beneficial and highly valuable to anyone looking to actually get good at trading. And I know you'll be very happy with it as much as I have been developing it. So what we are doing here, adjust this. So you can see right up here at the 886, I entered this trade, and this lately bat patterns have gone absolutely crazy. There are a lot of bat patterns in the markets as of late, and what's also interesting to note here is they have a very high turnover rate at 63% win percentage right now. So we're doing really well. However, I would like a little bit more of target 2s to be hit, because what's happening is a lot of my target 1s are getting hit, and then we're moving back up to my entry and getting stopped out for break even. I have had a couple hit target 2, but interesting fact actually with target 2s, and this comes from testing. And when you're testing, what tends to end up happening is you know your numbers, and then trading turns into a business that way. And you know your numbers, and that way you know your statistics with trading. Highly important. So target 2s don't always get hit all the time. It's generally around 30% of the time, on average, that target 2s are hit. Which is okay, because at the end of the year, you're trading every single day, and throughout the year you're following your plan and trading with disciplines every single day. So at the end of the year, after it averages out, it tends to always pay more than if you were just taking a single target, right? So it is worth testing multiple targets. It is worth knowing your numbers, and that way you have your stats to measure against as well. Always. This trade right here is, yes, it's another bat pattern. We're currently on the dollar-yen 1 hour time frame. We did get involved at the 886, and we've come all the way down to just nipped the 382 Fibonacci retracement here. So that was my target 1. I've rolled stops to break even, and now I'm looking for a move all the way down to target 2. We'll see what happens from here, because as I said in the previous videos, one or two things is going to happen, isn't it? Target's going to be hit, or we're going to get stopped out and then get taken out of the trade, which is okay because it will still be a profitable trade for us. We'll pause this and we'll come back to it and continue from there. All right, so here I am back at the chart, and as you can tell, quite a lot has happened. And I've been meaning to get back to this as soon as I can, because I've been busy with a lot of other tasks and helping other clients as well. So we're back finally with the dollar yen on the 1 hour time frame. Fair bit of movements, a fair bit of things has happened with this, and it was just another bat. So if I take the fibs off and we measure it out again from this swing high to this swing low, I do this because of repetition to help you identify this trade alongside with me. It's time to trade with me. Yeah, every time you watch. So grab a Fibonacci retracement tool. We go from this swing high to this swing low. Okay. Swing high to swing low. Price action comes up into the 382, right? So we get that criteria. That's met. Another Fibonacci retracement. Where from? This swing low to this swing high. Okay. Fibonacci retracement. Swing low to swing high. Right there. Price action comes down to the 382. So that's criteria 1, criteria 2, and number 3. So the third criteria, what we're looking for is a move from this low right here to this high right here, which is our 886. So C to D move right there. The way to do that is simply do the first Fibonacci retracement. So again, from this swing high to this swing low. So we follow the impulse leg, swing high to swing low, like so. And we wait for price action to come up into an 886, right? Which we do right there. At the 886, that is a valid bat pattern trade. Now, every time there is a valid bat pattern trade on the portfolios that I trade, that is, every time that happens, the market presents this opportunity to me. I have no choice in the matter whatsoever but to enter that trade every single time. Now remember that I said price action will tell you what to trade every day, right? And that is your trade plan, ideally, because if you're not, you shouldn't be trading. Every single time this opportunity presents itself, I must and will enter this trade because I need to match as much as possible, humanly possible. I need to match what I've tested in the past. Okay, so what I've tested in the past, I know for me works. So now I know on average every time I take this trade that over time I'm going to get paid. And isn't that why we are doing this in the first place? All right, so every single time price action presents to me a bat pattern that meets the criteria, then I have to enter the trade every time. So I did at the 886, and then for targets we take from this low to the 886, swing low to swing high, and then for targets we are at a 382, right? And then for targets 2 at a 618. Now we did come down, hit 382, and then we came all the way back up because one or two things were going to happen, right? And then we got knocked out for break even. Still profitable on the trade, trying to look for those target 2 moves down at the 618, which is good. But we did not. We get taken out for break even. And then from this point, what we want to do is be patient and wait for the next opportunity. And so what we do is we delete the drawing tools. So we take away all the analysis that we did, and we do that process over again. I'm looking for W formations and I'm looking for M formations, right? So I can see another one setting up right here. We forget about that trade now. Once you enter that trade and it plays out, price action moves and does those one or two things, stops you out or hits your targets, we record that, right? We put that in the spreadsheet, then we delete the drawing tools and our analysis, and we do the process all over again, which is what we're going to do right here. So again, you know, this is at live right now. Price action moving around the 132's 800 even handle number. And we're going to take a look at a potential, I'm pretty sure it's a bat. We don't hit the 618. No, we don't. Okay. So it is a bat. We're going to take this high down to this low. So again, this is our criteria. 1, the impulse leg, right? We take a swing high to our swing low right here. So do it with me. We're on the dollar yen on the 1 hour time frame. Load up your favorite charting package and follow along with me. We look for the 135 is the highs here, okay? And then we look for that impulse leg all the way down to 132's 200 even handle number. So this is our impulse leg, right? Here's what we want to do, and do it with me. A Fibonacci swing high all the way down to swing low. What we're doing is identifying a potential bat pattern trade. So the first thing that we want to look for from this Fibonacci is a minimum of a 382 or a 50%, but price action must not touch the 618. If it did, we're no longer looking for a bat pattern. We are then looking for a Gartley pattern. Okay, so minimum is a 382. In this case, we get a 50%, and that meets our first criteria. So second, again, do it with me. We take a Fibonacci retracement, right, from this low to this high. So let's take the fib and go from swing low all the way to swing high, like that. What we're looking for is a minimum of a 382, and in this case, we get the 786 right there. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Yeah, so we come down all the way to the 786. Price action moving all the way down to here. Now, price must not go past this low right here. Okay. So right here, price action must not go past that point right there. If it does, it's no longer a potential bat pattern trade. And in this case, we get the 786. So lastly, for criteria 3, we take a fib swing high. It's exactly the same as the first one. We take a Fibonacci retracement swing high all the way down to swing low. And what we're looking for now is price action to come all the way up into the 886 right there. So if I draw a box from our 886 all the way to this high right here, this would be my sell zone, right? So let's draw it like that. And what is a sell zone, right? If price action pushes all the way up into this box, then we have a valid bat pattern trade. And anywhere within here from this, from the 886 all the way to this high, we can sell this trade. We can sell the market. That's what I'm saying. If we come up into the 886, we have our sell zone, right? Anywhere within there is a sell, because it is a valid bat pattern. So let's just finish this, make it a different color. Easy to identify, like this, right? Here is our potential bat pattern trade on the $yen 1 hour time frame. So rewind back, go back in this video, bring up your favorite charting package that you like to use, and look for the $yen on the 1 hour time frame and identify this with me. Once you do that together, once you do that, you have successfully identified a bat pattern trade, potential bat pattern trade, because again, price action has to move all the way up into the 886, completing that C to D leg right there. So this is one of the trades that are on my radar for today. It is, what is today? Thursday. So we've got today and tomorrow to see if we can look for some other opportunities in the markets. Right now we're doing well. We're currently in the Star Live trading. We're currently over 4% for the month. So let's keep that up. Let's keep the momentum happening. And lastly, the reason why I've had an absence for the past couple of days is I've been working on something very special, which I think you'll absolutely enjoy. And it's called Star Classroom, right? Doesn't cost anything. Don't have to invest anything, right? What you do need to invest in is your time. And I would imagine if you're watching this video and you want to make Forex a successful career for you, trading that is, that would be highly beneficial and valuable to you. So very excited to launch this. It is almost ready. Just a few things that need fine tuning and some adjustments. And in the next video, I will share with you what it's about in a little bit more detail, and how you can get access to that as well. And basically what you will be learning is the reality of trading, okay, which is called the Foundation series. And you'll also have access to the education videos as well, which I'm looking forward to bringing to you. Not only that, you will have direct access to me, one-on-one chat with me, so that way I can help you through the education material and help you in your journey to identifying price action and reading the language of the market. So more on that tomorrow. Very excited to bring that to you. Been working hard day and night putting that together, because I believe that will be beneficial and highly valuable to anyone looking to actually get good at trading. And I know you'll be very happy with it, as much as I have been developing it. All right, so without that, nothing else going on until tomorrow. Be on the lookout for that. Until then, be safe, enjoy life. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much.